Provincial politics now, and the BC government has ordered a review into the way that special prosecutors are appointed and the way they do their jobs. This comes after the firestorm that began to burn earlier this month over special prosecutors and political donations. And there seems to be no shortage of work for special prosecutors in BC these days. You might be wondering how much you are paying those top lawyers to investigate alleged wrongdoing on the government's behalf. As of tonight, you don't get to know much, but as Kash Heed reports, that may be about to change.
I was wrong to think that these donations would not raise questions about my independence.
When top lawyer Terry Robertson apologized for botching a criminal investigation into former Solicitor General Kash Heed, he promised to pay back the money he'd collected from all those billable hours, money that would have otherwise come from taxpayers. We don't know how much that amount was, and without transparency, critics say that's part of the reason some public prosecutions go on so long.
When a prosecution or an investigation drags on for 3 years, you have to wonder if that's being efficiently spent.
The BC rail case has dragged on for 6.5 years. The trial only started this week, and a team of special prosecutors, including Bill Berardino, have been billing the taxpayer all that time. Remember John Less? He was once Solicitor General until a special prosecutor was hired almost 3 years ago to look into a land deal derailing his cabinet career. In all that time, no charges have been laid. And Terry Robertson, forced to quit after it was revealed his firm donated to Kash Heed's election campaign, he took 5 months to investigate Heed.
The amount of money that has been paid over the last 15 years at least to special prosecutors is, I think, significant.
The provincial government doesn't actually release the costs, but an educated guess could put the total somewhere in the tens of millions. It's something BC's Attorney General is thinking about. Mike De Jong wants another look at how the province hires these lawyers, whether making political donations should put them out of the running, and if they should face tighter timelines for getting their work done. The man in charge of the review is the man who built the system to begin with, Stephen Owen. He's not specifically tasked with making sure we find out how much we pay for all those billable hours, but Freedom of Information advocates say it's something he should definitely be looking at.
It encourages discipline in the use of public funds. It provides some transparency of what's actually going on in the legal system. So to me, there's really no downside to that.
Owen has until July 5th to review and report back. In Victoria, Kash Heed, A News.